Hi everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our new collection. It's called Holly Jolly Christmas. It is more traditional Christmas compared to last month's with your reds and greens, and it's very pretty, and I want to show you now what we've got. So we've got the little mini paper pack and the 12 by 12 paper pack again, and I'll just show you all the papers. So this is the first one. This one is called Jolly, and it's got this gorgeous Father Christmas on there, and you have got the gingham on the back. This one is Traditions, which is this beautiful wreath, and you've got some dots on the back. This one here is Silent Night, and you've got all your beautiful music script papers and little elements you can cut out. And you've got some more gingham on the back. This one here is called Mary, and it's kind of got like a burlap background with some beautiful decorations down the bottom and some tartan on the back. This one here is Joy, and is beautiful, just a beautiful floral for a background, and you've got a cute little, a smaller floral print on the back. This one here is called Holly, which has got your holly and your poinsettias, different ones on there that you can fussy cut out. And you have got this beautiful one on the back you can use as a background. And this one here is called Gifts, and use it all to be, you can fussy cut them out. And these tags here actually fit the tags, tops and tails die that we used last month, so that is a great reuse of the die. And this cute little Nordic snowflakey thing on the back. And this one here is called Christmas, which is lots of cute little sayings and tags and things, which is great for card making. And you have got some wood on the back. So that is the 12 by 12. In the 6 by 6, you get 2 of each of the papers, and they are mostly the same papers that you saw in the 12 by 12s, with just an extra couple in there that to bring it up to the 32 sheets. Cute little Santa. And so there are 2 of each. We've actually done these ones, so there's a cute little dot added in there. We've made this bigger. So that they are a direct split, so if stores are teaching classes, they can literally open a pack up and split it if they wanted to do it that way, if you only needed one for each class. Let me tell you about all the dies and things. So this is a die that says Merry Christmas, and if you actually buy our kit, this die is in the kit. And these are our 2 add-ons. This one's called Musically, and it's these cute little music notes. This one is our poinsettia die, and these layer up, and they are actually, if I just show you, they're actually the same size as these poinsettias on here, so you can actually create layers of the die and the poinsettias together, which is a really cute effect. And the other add-on is this Merry Christmas embossing folder, which is a really cute one for Christmas cards and to make backgrounds. We also have our laser cut. This little Christmas memories, the girls did use quite a bit in our kit projects, and I'll show you that shortly. And of course the creative cuts, a whole bag of creative cuts. There's lots of different shapes and things in there. These guys here are some things we've included in our kit, and we do have some leftovers from our kit, so we are just popping them up online as well. So we've got the cute chevron ribbon, and it's like a calico printed ribbon, and this here is just some little Christmas wood. The last thing we've got this month to go with this collection are some sweet little flares. So there's some little Christmas flares. Just going to quickly show you what I mean. So this is the die. So this is a layout I've done, and this is going to be on the blog. I think I've done instructions for this one. This is what I mean about layering the poinsettia die with those ones that you can fussy cut out on the page. And I've done a process video for this one, and that's the laser cut, and that's just another quick layered one I've done, and I think I've done a video for that one, and that is the Musically die in there. Oh, and just a cute little Christmas card, and you can see I've used that embossing folder on that wood grain paper, and then I slightly just sanded it back to create that effect. This is one of the creative cuts, and of course the die. Our 2 cut apart sheets. So if you have got our essential dies, this is where you can start using them. So this cute little one here, this is my favorite die, is on number 2, and you just layer that over those to create some little tags, and you can cut out all the different things. And this is our watercolor cut apart sheet, so you can cut out the poinsettias, or you can just cut them out and leave them black and white, and the little baubles, again, you can paint them with our watercolor markers. Okay, let's talk about the card kit, if you're still with me. This is our card making kit. It's our new Holly Jolly Christmas one. Let me show you what you get in the kit. So you get this piece of paper which folds out and gives you actual size images of all the cards. So there's all the beautiful cards. You get in the kit our very own card and envelopes. We are super happy to be able to put these in the kits. They're not available for individual sale just yet because the rest of them are on a boat coming to us. We did air freight some over just for the kits, but the rest are still coming. And they're on really thick 300 GSM cardstock, so they're really super straight. The envelopes are excellent quality, the cards are excellent quality, they're going to be a great price compared to our competitors. They're way cheaper and they are just much thicker, straighter and awesome. So I know you guys are going to love these, but they're coming in the kit this month. We also have got some red ribbon, some of the gold pearls, the creative cuts with all of the different ones in there. I should open one after and show you. The cute little mini cut apart sheet, and this one is for our new die. This is the last of the add-on dies for the card making kits. This is our cut apart essentials number 5 die, and it looks like this, and you just layer it over top like that, and you can cut out all of the different strips. And of course you get the paper pack. You can buy extra sheets of the Christmas sayings for the cards if you want to. They're just $1 each. Let me just quickly show you the cards. So this is cards have been designed by Tanya Ridgewell. They're very beautiful Christmas cards, just quick and easy cards you can sit down and make and your friends will love. Really traditional, and this is using that little mini cut apart sheet you get on the die. Very sweet. These are just some of the cut aparts. So that is it. Very cute. Okay, let me come around and show you something else we've got. So releasing this month, because we've now released the extra dies, so these are the 2 dies, we have 4 new cut apart sheets that are available that go with these dies. So this one is essential scrapbooking sentiments. So it's got all different scrapbooking sayings, and these are just $1 each and work with your die. This one here is essential card making sentiments. You've got all different fonts. This one here is essential Christmas sentiments. And this one here is essential birthday sentiments. So these are the 4 new ones that go with that first die that we released last month, which is number 4. Okay, so that is the dies. Let's now take a look at what's in the kit. So this is a cool kit. It's one of my favorites. So let me show you what is in the box. All right, where do I start? Okay, I'm going to start with these because these are different in boxes. Some boxes have dark green ones and not the light green ones. Some don't have the red, they have the silver. So there's a different mix of holly leaves in every box, but these are just the ones I happen to open in this box. You've got the beautiful gold pearls. Have got that chevron ribbon, which is like a linen calico. It's beautiful. I'm actually going to wrap my presents with that and some craft paper, and it's going to be beautiful this year. I'm going to make tags out of this collection. You've got the wood. You have got some flowers and some berries, so like Christmassy type flowers and berries. You've got a stamp, and this one is called, what's it called? Prints, just cute little prints to make some mixed media type backgrounds. You have got your creative cuts. You've got the flares, one of the laser cuts, and the Merry Christmas die. Got the magazine, of course, which has got all of your inspirational projects as well as step-by-step projects with all the measurements and everything the girls have done. So that is the magazine. Those 2 cut apart sheets I showed you before, the watercolor one and the original one. A sheet of gold glitter cardstock. 2 sheets of our mixed media cardstock, our watercolor cardstock, and of course the paper pack. So that's everything that's in the kit. Kits will not be available online until the 5th. So kits always release on the 5th, and collections release on the 1st. Let's take a look at some of the projects the girls have made. They are just beautiful. Fussy cutting that gorgeous holly paper using the flares and the watercolor paper. It's just stunning. I love that one. Beautiful. Another beautiful one using that Musically die. So I'm just trying to get the shadows out. So pretty. Those little berries that come in the kit are in there, and using the flares. Lovely layout. And this is another one. This has got that laser cut on it. And I love how Hetty did this one, I think, and she did use those holly leaves, which are really cute. So obviously if you had the red ones, you'd use the red leaves. More pretty fussy cutting. Scrapping Baby's First Christmas. Love all the dies and the fussy cutting mixed together in there. Another one here using that's the Merry Christmas die that comes in the kit. And this one here, I think Hetty did this one too. She's cut out that die, the Musical.ly die, in the same colour as the background paper. And what an effect. It's so beautiful. Such gorgeous, gorgeous layouts. Another one with that beautiful wreath. Such a fun piece of paper. It makes for a really nice, quick and easy layout. One here done with the that beautiful floral. Gorgeous wreath, hey? And another one, a cutesy having his first Christmas too, I reckon. Okay, let me show you some of the cards. There's actually more layouts than cards in the magazine. I just don't have them all printed out to show you. And I can't get the girls to send them to me at the moment. It's just impossible with COVID. There's just no way I'd get the projects in time, so there's just no point. Cute, cute, cute cards. So there'll be more cards, more projects. This one's used that embossing folder. I don't know if you can see that. It's really cutely embossing. Love this one. This is kind of like a little 3D card. And as I was saying, it's right to myself, the be more videos, tutorials, images, all on the blog coming out throughout the month. That's Merry Christmas in the gold glitter. Okay, that's it. So collection is releasing today on the 1st, and the card making kit will be releasing on the 5th, as well as the big kit will be releasing on the 5th. So both kits will be releasing on the 5th of the month, and everything else is releasing today. Hope you like it. Please go in and support your local stores if you can. They're all doing it really tough right now, so a lot of the stores have got our stuff. We've already shipped their stuff, so they should have it in stock ready to for you to come in and have a look at. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye.